Hello and welcome back to Our Cabin Escape. So it's been a bit since we posted anything. It is December. We haven't been at the cabin since the end of October now. And we won't be back up there. We'll go back up in February.
Yeah, mid-February.
And then we probably won't be on site again until end of April at the earliest.
All depends upon snowpack, how the winter turns out, early spring, late spring.
Yeah.
So.
Right now there's not a lot of snow at the cabin, but there is enough that we can't get to the cabin. But anyway, so we can't get to the cabin. We're doing some projects here around the house, but nothing that we're ready to share yet. But we thought we would take and do a quick video with a bunch of the sightseeing that we did up at the cabin and around the cabin this summer.
Yeah, we were able to get out and do a little bit of playing. Well, actually, quite a bit looking back on it. So
we actually got out and did quite a bit this year. It was nice.
Got a lot done on the cabin, but being able to get out and enjoy the sights from where we're at up there it's always nice. So here's kind of what we were able to see and go do.
Well, we've run out of things to do, so now it looks like it's time to go play. We'll take our side-by-side, Josh will take his new toy, and off we go. Alright, so we're out doing a little bit of sightseeing. Dave's got his dust mask on, so we're in the very back. Mike and Melissa are clear up in front, and then we have some of their family in a side-by-side, and then we have Josh, and then we're bringing up the rear. So we're just heading on a dirt road, not too far from the cabin, heading back into some falls. So this is Sheep Falls. Not too far from our place. It's kind of pretty. There's a lot of mist on this. So Dave's hiking down. I don't want to crawl down this just to crawl back up it, but Dave's going to hike down there a little closer and get me a better picture. So another little set of falls. Okay, so Dave, would you like to narrate?
So yeah, doing some sightseeing. This is called Indian Lake. We crossed over the Idaho to Wyoming border, and this is what we found. It is huge, but it's really low due to drought this season. But yeah, I've never seen so many lily pads in my life.
Say that one more time. It's what?
Yeah, this is Bergman Reservoir. Almost literally right across the street from Indian Lake where we just came from. About a quarter mile back in dirt road, but yeah, this is pretty.
Don't land on me, bug. Okay, so this morning we're off on an adventure. We're back in to a trailhead, back in away from the cabin a little bit. We're going to take off, go for about a 2-mile hike, go see some falls, and
yeah, just get out and do a little exploring.
We got our bear spray, so we're well prepared for that.
That and the bear bell. So yeah, we'll go out and have some fun.
Yep.
Not been out playing a lot past couple weeks, so
Yeah. Go enjoy some of the fall colors that are starting to show up a little bit. And see what we can find.
Here we are. Okay, so we've reached our destination. So this is Bachelor Falls. It's a cute little fall. It's fairly loud.
yeah, it's about 1.4 miles into it from where we parked. So
Yeah.
really nice trail, easy trail to follow.
Yeah, not bad at all. It was really nice little hike out in nature, just the two of us. And yeah, we'll get some pictures and upload the pictures of what we've seen on our trail.
Yeah.
So this is what they call Warm River Springs. So this starts the Warm River that comes down by the cabin. So the babies got to come with us today, and they got to go climb in the water and play, and now they are just muddy. And good thing we have a waterproof protector in the car to take them back. Kodiak doesn't care. He'll get in the water. Heaven forbid you get wet, Miss Pretty. He's like, I'm out. See? We're